Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to our videos. Ever noticed a small oil leak coming from the front of your engine? That might be your front crankshaft seal crying for help. This seal plays a crucial role in keeping your engine's oil where it belongs. It surrounds the crankshaft and prevents oil from leaking out of the engine block. Over time, wear and tear can cause it to fail, leading to annoying oil leaks and potential engine damage. Understanding the importance of this tiny component will save you headaches down the road. Replacing a front crankshaft seal isn't just about stopping leaks, it's about maintaining your engine's performance and extending its life. So, let's make sure your engine runs smoothly by tackling this essential maintenance task. Understanding the front crankshaft seal. When it comes to your car's engine, the front crankshaft seal might be small, but it plays a huge role. Let's break down what this seal is and what happens when it starts to fail. What is a front crankshaft seal? The front crankshaft seal is a circular component made from robust materials like rubber or silicone. It is designed to fit snugly around the front end of the crankshaft, which is a rotating shaft within the engine. The crankshaft itself converts the up and down movements of the pistons into rotational force. This rotational force is what ultimately powers your vehicle. The primary job of the front crankshaft seal is to keep engine oil contained within the engine. Without it, oil would leak out, leading to inadequate lubrication of internal parts. Think of it like a rubber stopper in a water bottle. Just like the stopper keeps water inside the bottle, the crankshaft seal keeps oil inside the engine. This tiny piece ensures that oil circulates properly, reducing friction and heat, which helps your engine run smoothly. Signs of a failing crankshaft seal. A failing crankshaft seal can lead to multiple issues. Here are some common signs that indicate you might have a problem. Oil spots under the vehicle. If you notice oil spots on your driveway or garage floor, it could be a sign that your crankshaft seal is leaking. This is usually the first clue that something is wrong. Oil leaks around the engine. Take a look under the hood. If you see oil leaks around the front of the engine, it's another indicator that the crankshaft seal may be compromised. Unusual engine noises. A worn-out seal might cause a decrease in oil levels, leading to unusual noises like knocking or ticking. These sounds happen because parts inside the engine are not getting enough lubrication. It's crucial to act quickly if you spot any of these signs. Ignoring a faulty crankshaft seal can lead to major engine damage and costly repairs down the line. Understanding the role and warning signs of a failing front crankshaft seal can save you a lot of trouble. Keep an eye out for these symptoms to ensure that your engine runs smoothly for years to come. Preparation for replacement. Before diving into the replacement process for your front crankshaft seal, preparation is key. Making sure you have the right tools and following essential safety precautions can make the job smoother and safer. Tools and materials needed. First things first, you'll need to gather all the tools and materials required for replacing the front crankshaft seal. Having everything on hand will save you time and hassle. Here's a handy checklist of what you'll need. Wrenches. Both socket and open-end wrenches are essential. Seal puller. This tool helps remove the old seal without damaging the crankshaft. New front crankshaft seal. Make sure it's the right one for your vehicle model. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips. Pliers. Needle nose pliers can be especially handy. Jack and jack stands. For safely lifting and securing your vehicle. Oil and sealant. Fresh motor oil and an appropriate sealant for installing the new seal. Torque wrench. Ensures bolts are tightened to the correct specifications. Shop towels and cleaner. Keep things clean and tidy. Drip pan. To catch any leaking oil. Having this checklist will make sure you're not caught off guard during the process. It's like packing a survival kit before a big hike. Better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. Safety precautions. Safety should always be your number one priority. Replacing the front crankshaft seal involves working under the hood, and sometimes under the car, so taking the right precautions is crucial. Here are some key safety tips to keep in mind. Disconnect the battery. Before starting any work, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. This prevents any accidental electrical short circuits. Proper lifting techniques. When lifting your vehicle, always use a jack along with jack stands. Never rely solely on the jack to support the vehicle. It's like using a ladder, you want the extra stability to avoid any falls. Wear protective gear. Safety glasses, gloves, and closed-toe shoes can protect you from oil, dirt, and sharp components. Think of it as gearing up for a game. You wouldn't play football without a helmet, right? Work in a well-ventilated area. Ensure your workspace has good ventilation. Breathing in fumes from oil and cleaning solvents can be hazardous. An open garage is ideal. Stay organized. Keep your tools and parts organized. A messy workspace can lead to mistakes or lost components. By following these safety tips, you'll not only make the job easier but also protect yourself from potential hazards. It's like building a solid foundation for a house. Everything else depends on it. Step-by-step guide to replacing the front crankshaft seal. Replacing the front crankshaft seal might seem daunting, but with the right steps and tools, it can be a manageable task. Here's a detailed, easy-to-follow guide to help you get the job done. Step 1. Accessing the crankshaft seal. First, you need to reach the crankshaft seal. This involves removing components that block your way. Here's how to do it. Disconnect the battery. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal from your battery to prevent any electrical issues. Lift the car. Use a jack to lift the front of your car and secure it with jack stands. Remove belts and pulleys. Take off the serpentine belt by loosening the tensioner. Remove the pulleys that are in front of the timing cover. Take off timing cover. Locate the bolts securing the timing cover and remove them. Gently pry off the cover to reveal the crankshaft seal. Be careful not to damage the gasket if you plan to reuse it. That concludes part 1 of our front crankshaft seal replacement guide. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.